This is our 2006 International school bus. We bought it back in January of 2024. It is now December of 2024. It was an original 11 window school bus. We took the back 4 windows and we cut them down. We took this wall that was in the back and moved it toward the front. Reframed that wall with 2-inch tube steel. Reskinned new sheet metal on the wall. Got 2 RV windows. Took our door, cut it down, and swung it the other direction. Built this handrails. We have a double gate that will open all the way up. We are planning to park our motorcycle and our golf cart up on the deck. We also have a gate to open to climb on the deck when we're camping. This is our gas tank, our fuel tank fill tube setup. We continue these rub rails around to make it look as original as we could. I'll take you inside and show what we got inside. A simple layout. We have a California king bed in the back. Goes from window to window. Nice big bed. We have a couch. We're going to have drawer pull-out storage under the couch. We are going to have a side-by-side fridge freezer combo. Drawers for storage. Drawers. And we're going to have an apron front sink with a butcher block countertop and a toilet right here sometime in the future. Stay tuned to our channel, like and subscribe. If you like what you see, we have a lot of bus build on our channel, and we are continuing to work on the bus and make more content. Thanks, guys.